Hey, what's up guys? For most of you who don't know, this here's Blue, I'm Ryan, and this is our van. So for today's film tutorial, I'm going to go over the reasons I chose the material I'm using to insulate the van and how I went about installing it. And the material I chose is 3M's Thinsulate. It's an acoustic insulation, and the two reasons why I chose this material over all of the other materials available: easy installation for one, but it's a hydrophobic material. It doesn't hold water. There are many openings within the van's exterior, and you're going to get water inside your van. If that material of yours holds water, it will mold over time and will present a problem for you down the road. This material is designed to absorb that water and allow it to travel down and ultimately exiting the van where it's intended to exit. Also, it's fireproof. So what I'm going to use to keep the larger Thinsulate panels on the larger areas of the van is 3M's high strength 90 spray adhesive. What we're going to want to do is spray it in a good even amount, let it sit about 30 to 60 seconds to add to that tactile feeling, and then we'll spray the Thinsulate as well on the white side, and then we'll make the application and smoothly rub it out.